Hello and welcome to a new episode. This one is about diagnosing glitches with your wireless Android Auto. I'm doing this on my Carsify adapter, which I've got plugged in, but the method of sorting this also applies to, I guess, any wireless Android Auto adapter. Basically, I was getting glitching when it was playing audio back from music on the phone or from streaming sources. Most of the time it was glitching in the same places on the same roads, so I thought, is it getting interference from other Wi-Fi? And I think it probably was. But also I found that the player I was using, a VLC player, was also glitching at the same point on some tracks. So to rule out issues, I plugged it directly into the car and tried it on VLC on the same tracks that glitched, and they still glitched, so that ruled out the Wi-Fi. And then I went looking for another player. I found one called AIMP. The advantage of this player, AIMP, is that it's got gapless playback between tracks, which is a big step up from VLC, and also it plays back tracks reliably without glitching as much. So that's the first thing I changed. So I used that instead for playing back my music. I play lossless .FLAC format files, which are stored on the phone, and that seems to work a lot better. So after I sorted out a better player, I went looking for a solution to the Wi-Fi problem and what I could possibly change to stop people's Wi-Fi interfering with the Carsify adapter. So that's when I went digging around the Carsify settings. And the solution to your audio tracks dropout problem is to go into Carsify app and then into Wi-Fi settings, and then firstly check your country code is correct. Mine was set to US, which means it can potentially use the wrong Wi-Fi channels. So I'll set that back to United Kingdom. And then secondly, we're going to use 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi only, so you can control better the channels and free channels that are available. It's less congested. And we'll use Wi-Fi channel 8 because that's in the middle. Most routers default pick either 1 or 11 in UK. It can be a bit different in other countries. And save that setting. So basically the two tips are switch to a better audio player, one that's more reliable, so I did, from VLC to AIMP, and secondly sort out your Wi-Fi channels and your country code in the settings, which I've shown you how to do on the Carsify, but you'll have to look up how to do it on your own device. So if you use just 2.4 gigahertz instead of 5 gigahertz and select the middle channel or the default, then that's normally good enough. But I've been testing this all week, and on the new channel settings I've not had a single glitch, and I've been driving around Burntwood, no problems, which is a hell of a lot better than it was. Anyway, hope you found this useful, and thank you for watching.